Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a design team project for Diemond dies, and like usual I will have all the links to Diemond dies in the description box below, as well as the information about a coupon code for you, because if you use Thanks Leonie you will get 10% off, and if your order is $35 or more you will get free shipping worldwide. And I also wanted to let you know that there's a sale going on at Diemond dies. And the dies from the new release are also on sale, and I hope my camera shows and there's not too much glare. But these are all from the new release, and as you can see they're all on sale. So, and if you use one of the design team members discount codes you will get a 10% off on top of the sale. So I think it's a wonderful deal. So I wanted to let you know about that. I'm going to show you the dies that I used on my project. I created 2 more Christmas cards, and I used this set right here, and it's the Dinormous Stack'ems Scallop Circles Nesting die set, and this is a set of 10 dies. And I also used this one right here, the Pine Branch. This one is perfect to use on winter or Christmas projects as well. And I used this die right here. This is the small Christmas tree. And I also used this die or die set right here, the Labels 2, the top note nesting dies. And I also used, of course, the pretty poinsettias to create some poinsettias with. And I also used this set, or this die I should say, I'm sorry, and this is the Build a Snowman set. Love to use this die as well. And I also used this die right here, and these are the holly leaves. And I also used the pine tree die set, and I used this die. This is the Christmas tree, the regular size. I'm sorry, I hope my camera will focus. So I used this one as well. And last but not least, I used the grass border die, and it's this one right here. So I created 2 cards, and one is kind of vintage, and I will show you this one first, and I will move this one aside for now. This is a cute little card, and it measures about 4.5 by 4.5 inches. And here I use the grass border die, and behind here I have some lace from my stash. The paper that I used is from a Dutch company, and I purchased it at a local store. It's like a dollar store. And here I have a paper doily, and here's the scallop die, or die cut I should say. And on top of it I have the snowman, and like I said, I really love this die. And here's a poinsettia that I created with the pretty poinsettias. And here's the pine branch. I love to use these as fillers behind my flowers. And I have some flatback pearls from my stash. And I also decorated the inside. I used one of the pine trees from the set. This is the middle size. And I stamped it with a stamp from my stash, and here I used the holly leaves. So this is how the card looks on the inside. And here's my other card, and this is more like a vintage or traditional Christmas card. And I used the same paper, or the paper from the dollar store, from the local dollar store, and I hand stitched along the edges, and I have some rhinestones from my stash in these 2 corners. I have a paper doily in the background, and this is an image that I purchased at the dollar store as well. And here is the Christmas tree die cut, and I have some tinsel, some silver tinsel, and it goes here as well, or it's peeking through the berries here as well. And here I created a poinsettia. I have 1 green flower and 2 white flowers, the bigger ones, and 1 smaller one. And here are the stamens in black, and I used some silver stickles And here I have some berries from my stash, and I went over them with some gesso. And here's the other poinsettia that I created, and here are some more of the pine branch die cuts and some flowers from my stash. And on the inside I used a top note die, and I used my piercing tool to pierce some holes along the edge, and my same stamp from my stash. And this is the small Christmas tree, and I used some tinsel for decoration. So these are my 2 Christmas cards, and I really had a lot of fun creating them using the amazing dies from Diemond Dies. I hope you like them, and I hope you will check out the links below. I will have some pictures at the end of this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!